Today I'm doing some repair work. So my peddle broke a while ago, so I had to get a new one. And I was in the middle of fixing my bras, just putting in a new, they're t-shirt bras. It's a very easy fix. You just do a cross stitch repair stitch on it, and then you just tug on it to make sure I always go over it several times just to make sure that it's okay. And cut off the excess and give it a good tug to make sure that's okay. You always double check that the banding is the right way around, so then you don't have the twisted on you. So for this particular thing, like a bra, I would put it flat like that because it came flat, the original one. If it's like pants or something, I might do it quicker and just tie a knot in it, so then it doesn't require any sewing to fix it. I'm also going to do a little bit more repairs here. Rip seams. I got a quilt I made, and it's kind of getting wrecked, so I'm going to put some new fabric on it. It's this one here. So I made that in high school at some point, just scrap fabric. Some was new fabric, and it's been washed so much that we're getting that happening. So I'm just going to take some other fabric that I find important and put that on it. And then that was actually just a blanket on the other side, not a liner. So I didn't know how to do quilts back then, but just all stitched a pattern and cut them out. So just a large square there and then small squares around it. But if you make a quilt, you can do whatever you want. And it seems like one particular fabric is giving the most trouble, so I'm going to have to patch that. I'm just going to simply stitch on top just to cover it over and stabilize it. I'm not going to try to hide the stitches on that.